अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल अजीम। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। बरकतपुरा में मौजूद अवंती डिग्री एंड पीजी कॉलेज में झानकृत 2019 कल्चरल प्रोग्राम किया गया, जिसमें कई दूसरे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स ने भी हिस्सा लिया। आइए देखते हैं प्रकाश मिश्रा की ये तफसीली रिपोर्ट।
Jankur 2019 to expose the students' talent in different activities and also to make them competitive for the market, for the employment. So they have been given the options in different activities like funding, marketing and mark code and other activities, so that students will be exposed during the education time itself for the employment opportunities. So these type of activities are good for the students to have general knowledge of the commerce and other courses, so that they will be equipped to take the employment without any difficulty. So I really congratulate Avanti and Degree and PG College management for
ఈనాడు 2 రోజుల సదస్సు ఏదైతే జన జాగృతి జరిగిందో, ఈ జాగృతి ఆధారంతో విద్యార్థులకు సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యం పెంపొందించడం, అదే రకంగా ప్రాపంచీకరణ లోపల వచ్చినటువంటి మార్పులన్నిటిపైన ఒక వేదికగా తీసుకొని విద్యార్థుల ప్రతిభను ప్రదర్శించడానికి ఈ కార్యక్రమం చాలా తోడ్పాటుపడినది. ఈ రకమైనటువంటి కార్యక్రమం వల్ల విద్యార్థులకు ఒక సరైనటువంటి అవగాహన, వాళ్ళకు ఒక రకమైనటువంటి పోటీతత్వాన్ని కూడా పెంపొందించడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది.
Which is really a blend of academic as well as cultural, a blend of thing wherein the students can have the academic knowledge as well as some cultural activities also throughout the day, whereby they can know about the subject. At the same time they enjoy the fest also. Keeping that in view, once in a year Avanti is organizing Jankur, a commerce fest, for the overall development of the student, not only the education but how to participate in a group, how to participate the talent which he is having other than the studies. That is the intention of conducting the Jankur, and successfully we are conducting the Jankur for so many long years, and we hope that every year what are the new changes that are coming in the field of commerce, that also we will add. Particularly a courtroom is there wherein students can act as a judge, act as a, what he will explain his the client may explain his complaint. By way of that they can know something about the business law, about the law they can know. There is a business crossword, wherein that by solving the business crossword he could have knowledge about the words that are being well versed about the commerce terminology, I can say. Like that there are several academic and non-academic activities also be, as that I have told, it is a blend of knowledge as well as culture.
गाजी किडनी सेंटर एंड मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, गुर्दे और बवासीर के इलाज का 40 साल मशहूर हॉस्पिटल, जहां हजारों पेशेंट्स क्योर हो चुके हैं। डॉक्टर हुसैनी इंटरनेशनल नेशनल अवार्ड विनर और दूसरे डॉक्टर्स और लेडी डॉक्टर्स की जेर खिदमत गुर्दे के तमाम अमराज का मुकम्मल ट्रीटमेंट किया जा रहा है। गुर्दे फेल हो चुके हों, डायलिसिस करवा रहे हों, याद रखिए डायलिसिस कोई इलाज नहीं, इससे 1% भी गुर्दे रिकवर नहीं होते। हाँ, डायलिसिस टेम्पररी रिलीफ दे सकता है, लेकिन हमारे ट्रीटमेंट से गुर्दे फिर से फंक्शन में आ सकते हैं। गुर्दे श्रिंक हो गए हों या सिस्ट हो, गुर्दे की पथरी हो, कैसी भी गुर्दे की तकलीफ हो, या पाइल्स यानी बवासीर, चाहे ब्लीडिंग हो या कोम, बगैर ऑपरेशन मुकम्मल क्योर ट्रीटमेंट का एक ही सेंटर, गाजी किडनी सेंटर, DLRL मेन रोड, अपोजिट विकास हाई स्कूल, चंद्रायन गुट्टा, हैदराबाद। सेल 9966930824 या 9391326261।